Matt got a weird peach for you.
A weird peach, you say? What's that remind you of, Michael? This is a donut peach. I actually really like these. They come around, what, late spring? It says over here summer too. I didn't realize that. I didn't think these were in season right now. But anyways, flat peach, let's cut into it. Typically, these are a little sweeter. As you can see, it's like a white flesh inside. I would probably want to do a sorbet with this or something. Here, try that out. Yeah, it's like a little sweeter. It's also kind of tart. That's delicious though. It says right here that has a undertone of almond. I don't really get that. You know what, I kind of do now, but like more of like the extract almond, if that makes sense.
Like the taste of the smell of extract almond.
The taste of the smell, it's like a hint of almond. It's also less fuzzy. I don't know if that matters to you, but it's less fuzzy. So if you don't like the fuzz, go for a flat peach. They're also called flat peaches. They're called donut peaches, flat peaches, what else are they called on here? Other names. Wait, that's weird. Do you see that, Michael? It says donut peach and donut peach. It's spelled two different ways. I don't understand why. D-O-G-H, and then the D-O-N-O, D-O-N-U. How do you guys spell donut? Is it like dough nut or donut?
Do not.
Do not? Donut? Do not? Comment down below. What's the right way to spell it? What should I try next?